a beacon of excellence powers the industry's core in a world where every engine hums with possibility and innovation drives progress. Akinawa Oil Japan, a place where every lubricant drop symbolizes reliability, precision, and environmental responsibility. Every Akinawa Japan product results from a long history of meticulous science and steadfast commitment. Our team of scientists and engineers constantly strives to make lubricants that surpass expectations, driven by a deep-seated ambition for perfection. We push limits via rigorous research and innovation to guarantee that every product offers unrivaled quality and dependability. With its extensive selection of premium lubricants, Akinawa Japan is a shining example of innovation. Industry titans like Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, and Mercedes-Benz trust our products, which range from marine oil to engine oils. They are renowned for their superiority and set the bar for lubrication, guaranteeing top performance and dependability in every situation. Akinawa lubricants are known for their unrivaled performance and dedication to precision and quality. This allows industries across the globe to fulfill their objectives with confidence and efficiency. However, our dedication extends above and beyond production. In Akinawa, we are committed to reducing emissions and paving the way for a sustainable and environmentally friendly future. We are a leader in green technology. By embracing environmentally friendly practices and financing in innovative solutions, we attempt to lessen our carbon footprint and promote environmental stewardship. Innovation is our motto and the foundation of our business at Akinawa Nation. We aspire to deliver outstanding lubricants that surpass our clients' expectations. That is our fundamental goal. Our organization operates with the finest standards of integrity, security, and transparency to ensure that every interaction with our products reflects our unrelenting commitment to excellence. Come along as we ignite the engines of growth and fuel future aspirations. Select Akinawa Oil International to experience a new level of possibility when commitment, ingenuity, and quality come together.